In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtotal function in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, you can follow along with a simple sample worksheet so it's easy to understand exactly how the function behaves. Before we enter anything, it helps to know what the subtotal function actually does. Subtotal is used to perform calculations like SUM, average, count, max, and min, but with one very useful advantage. It automatically ignores rows that are filtered out. That makes it especially helpful when you're working with filtered lists or Excel tables and you want your results to update based only on the visible data. For this example, use a simple data set with two columns, product and sales. Then enter the sample values into cells A2 through B7. The products are laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, and scanner, and their sales values are 1200, 850, 650, 900, 1000, and 750. This gives us a clean list to work with and makes it easy to see how filtering changes the subtotal. Now let's look at the recommended method. Using subtotal to sum filtered data. This is the best option when you want totals that adjust automatically as you filter your list. First, select the cell where you want the subtotal to appear. This should be a blank cell outside or below your data, so the result is easy to read. In that cell, type the formula equals subtotal, open parenthesis, 9, B2, colon, B7, close parenthesis, then press Enter. The number 9 in this formula tells Excel that you want to use the sum calculation. The range B2 to B7 tells Excel which sales values to total. At this point, Excel will display the full sum of the sales column. Next, apply a filter to your data. Select the data set, then go to the Data tab and click Filter. Once the filter arrows appear, filter the list however you want. For example, you can show only certain products. As soon as rows are hidden by the filter, the subtotal result updates automatically and shows the sum of only the visible rows. That's the key benefit of this function. Unlike a regular sum formula, subtotal responds to filtering, which makes it much more practical for reports and interactive worksheets. It's also useful to remember some common function numbers used inside subtotal. Average uses 1, count uses 2, county A uses 3, max uses 4, min uses 5, product uses 6, stdev uses 7, stdevep uses 8, and sum uses 9. And that's how to use the subtotal function in Excel to calculate totals that stay accurate when your data is filtered.